Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete highlights in Instagram from your PC. Okay, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Instagram. Okay, so just open your Instagram and just click on this your profile. Okay, just click on this profile. Okay, and then just go to this more option and we need to go in this your activities. Okay, under activities you need to go in these photos and videos. Here you can see the three options: post, reels and highlights. So we need to click highlights in order to delete it. So here you can see all your highlights. So let okay, so here you can see all your highlights, and here you can see the option called select. Just click on it. Now all highlights you can select by clicking on it. Just click on that highlight which you want to delete. Okay, I have select this one. Now you need to just click on this delete option. You can see here, so it will be delete. Okay, so guys, that's how you can delete your highlights from Instagram. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.